Hello everyone, I'm back again and this time with objectives and question answer of chapter 1 for class 4. And before we begin, I like to say that please go and watch the video where I have explained this chapter 1, okay, for class 4, so that you can understand objectives and question answer properly, and then only you will be able to learn it, and you will not forget also. So it's the first duty is to understand. So first you go and see the video, understand it, and then come to the objectives and question answer part. Okay, so let's begin. This is chapter 1, I Love My India, and we'll start with the objectives. Here, first we'll start with get set. The question is write what comes to your mind when you think of India. You have to write whatever comes to your mind, okay? Anything when you hear the name India, whatever comes to your mind, you have to write this, okay? There are six blanks, and you have to write any 6 point of your choice. So I'm leaving this on you all, okay? So whatever comes to mind, write on this, and whenever the school reopens, I'll check, okay? Now on the next page, page number 12, we come to checkpoint. Here we have to do fill the blanks. So let's begin. Number 1. The dash ocean lies to the south of India. Which ocean? It is Indian Ocean. Okay. The answer is Indian Ocean. Now number 2. Okay. Kanyakumari is in dash. Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Number 3. India has dash union territories. India has 9. Before it was 7, but after the division of Jammu and Kashmir, now we have 9 union territories. And in the last video where I have explained tip number 4, you can you can go and see that video to understand it better. Okay. Number 4. Dash is the capital of Meghalaya. So answer is Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Number 5. The state carved out of Andhra Pradesh is Telangana. You all know this. This is the newest state formed after the division of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Okay, it's clear to everyone? So now on the next page, we have tick the correct answer. Let us do this. Number 1. Which is the southernmost tip of India? Options are Kerala, Indira Point, Puducherry. So it's Indira Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. I'm telling you again, if you want to understand this better, you have to go and watch my video where I have explained this chapter. Okay? Number 2. Which of these countries is not one of our neighbors? Okay, so which is not our neighbor? Pakistan is our neighbor, and Sri Lanka is our neighbor, Bhutan is our neighbor. Okay, Iran is far from us. Okay, it is not our neighbor. So our option is Iran. Iran is not our neighbor. It's beyond Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan is the neighbor of Iran. Iran is the neighbor of Pakistan. Okay, then comes our country India. Number 3. How many states are there in India? So there are 29 states. Actually it's 28 because Jammu Kashmir is not a state anymore. Okay, but option is not given here. Okay, that's why it's 29. You can write 28 also here. Give a slash and write 28. Okay, this is the old edition. That's why here, like the new edition which will be coming, which will be printed, in that you'll get 28. Okay. Number 4. Kavaratti is the capital of which union territory? Options are Assam, Puducherry, Lakshadweep or Kerala. So Kavaratti is the capital of, answer is Lakshadweep. It's an island. Okay, India has two major islands, Andaman Nicobar Island, and the other one is Lakshadweep, and its capital is Kavaratti. So next question number B. The underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. Write the correct answer. Here in the question, you will see a underlined word which is wrong. Okay, you have to write the correct answer in this blank. So let's start. Number one, India is in Africa. No, India is not in Africa. India is in Asia. So Africa is wrong. So you have to make it correct here. India is in Asia. Okay. Number two, the northern boundary Number two, the northern boundary of India is protected by the Alps. No, Alps is in Europe. So in northern India, northern boundary we have Himalayas. I taught you, okay? So you have to go and see the video. Himalayas. Number two, Silvassa is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. Number three, okay, Silvassa is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. No, it's Chandigarh. Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana has a common capital named as Chandigarh. Okay. Number 4. Maharashtra is the largest state of India. Maharashtra is the largest state? No. We have studied it's Rajasthan. Okay. If you remember, I have taught you here. You can see the facts. Rajasthan is the largest state in area. Okay. Number 5. The capital the capital of Telangana is Amravati. No, Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. You know, it has been divided into two parts. Now Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, not Andhra Pradesh. Before the division, it was the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh capital is called Amravati. Okay, so the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. So next we come to question answer. So before we begin, I like to tell you one thing that I will, like, if you want to write the answer, you can pause the video and write it. Okay, आप वीडियो रोक के भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. Clear? So you can pause the video and write the answers. So we'll begin with number 1. Write the names, and please do go and watch the video where I have explained the chapter so that you can understand it better. And if you understand, then only it will be easy for you all to learn also. Okay. Number 1. Write the name of the water bodies that surround India. And the answer is, now we come to question number 2. The question is, write the names of any 5 of our neighboring countries. And the answer is, next question, number 3. Which state has 2 capitals? Write the name of the capitals. And the answer is, so now we are done with question number 3. And before moving on to question number 4, I will like to say that the answer of question number 3 is based on the old edition, okay? Because Jammu Kashmir, the answer is Jammu and Kashmir, but it is not like state anymore. It has been divided and it is made into 2 different union territories. Okay, the answer is there, Jammu and Kashmir, because it is based on old edition. Okay, so now we'll move to question number 4. Write the names of 7 sisters. In which part of India are they located? Are they located? And the answer is, now we move to the last question of this chapter, number 5. Okay, question number 5. What are the physical divisions of India? Physical divisions of India. And the answer is, with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. All the question answers are been done, and I hope now it is crystal clear to everyone. And soon you'll be getting the question answer of chapter number 2, which is the northern mountains. I've explained this chapter, so like see the video so that you can understand. As the next video soon I'll be making a question answer and objectives of this video on question answer and objectives of this chapter. So we come to the end. Thank you and have a nice day.